So today I decided to go on a solo hike. I live somewhere down there, but I said let me explore this hill. I've climbed it from another route before, but today so let me try this one. Woo! I'm halfway up, and that's where I was coming from. The view will be better up there. Let's go. More climbing to do. Always look easier when you're looking at it from the camera. Just to give you an idea of what it's like. Woo! So you can see it's quite a climb. Still a long way to go. So I'm checking for some marks like this, like some ancestral hikers have already made the path clear to follow. Oh, we're progressing. Still a long way to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's jog it up. Woo! Getting closer to that view. Epic view of the city of Abuja. That's the National Stadium. Let's go. And I made it. That's the city of Abuja. Everybody's so busy moving from point A to point B. Woo! I think I missed the sunset already, but it still looks beautiful. Today my mind was kind of busy. Couldn't think straight to prepare for the week, so I decided to close my laptop and come out for a walk. Then from a walk I said, why not climb the mountain? I mean, Twin Peaks. And this is already rewarding. I love the view. It's peaceful. It rained yesterday and rained a bit today. So the clouds